Square watermelons are a unique Japanese creation that are grown inside square boxes. The boxes restrict the watermelon's growth, causing them to take on a square shape. This makes them more suitable for stacking, shipping, and refrigerator storage. Square watermelons were first developed in Japan in the 1970s by a graphic designer named Tomoyuki Ono. Ono was looking for a way to make watermelons easier to distribute and store, and he came up with the idea of growing them in square boxes. Ono's idea was a success, and square watermelons quickly became fashionable in Japan. They are now sold in specialty stores and supermarkets all over the country. Square watermelons are also exported to other nations, such as the United States and Europe. Square watermelons are not only advantageous, but they are also visually appealing. Their square shape makes them a unique and eye-catching addition to any fruit bowl or table setting. In a world that is becoming increasingly dependent on technology, we will naturally yearn for the older, simpler pleasures of life. As technology advances and our lives become more complex, we will find ourselves seeking the simpler things in life. We will long for the days when we could connect with wildlife and with each other without the distractions of our devices. We will yearn for the feeling of the sun on our skin and the wind in our hair. We will miss the sound of birds singing and the taste of fresh produce from the garden. We will crave the feeling of brotherhood and belonging that comes from spending time with loved ones in person. Mako sharks are challenging predators with a bite force of approximately 3,000 pounds per square inch, categorizing them as the second most powerful biters among sharks. Their impressive jaw strength enables them to efficiently catch and consume a variety of prey in the ocean. These sharks are known for their speed and agility, which, combined with their formidable bite, makes them highly efficient hunters in their marine ecosystems. Mako sharks, identified for their sleek design and incredible swimming abilities, rely on their powerful bite force not only for hunting but also for self-defense, making them a superior species in the world of marine predators. Ocean plastic waste is a big issue for our oceans. Every year, millions of tons of plastic garbage end up in the sea, putting aquatic life and their homes in danger. This pollution causes harm as animals get trapped or eat the plastic, leading to injuries and even death. It messes up the food chain too, as toxic chemicals from plastic can build up and hurt creatures, affecting human health. To tackle this issue, we need worldwide cooperation, less single-use plastic, more recycling, and cleanup efforts to save our oceans and the planet. By working together and making reliable choices in our daily lives, we can make a positive impact on reducing ocean plastic waste and ensuring a healthier future for our oceans and all the life they sustain. Shrews, with their restricted eyesight, employ a unique method of navigation. They form a shrew conga line. These tiny animals, often described as adorable, hold on to the tail of the shrew in front of them as they move together. This behavior not only helps them stay in close contact with one another but also serves as a useful means of guidance through their environment. The shrew conga line is a remarkable example of nature's adaptations, showcasing how even animals with poor vision can find clever ways to overcome challenges and ensure their survival in the wild.